Now, short selling is a particular conundrum, right? It's kind of counterintuitive. It kind of feels weird. It's hard to understand, but it's really not much different than the long side once you get to the point where you truly deeply understand it. So my suggestion is for anyone who doesn't have shorting is just keep asking questions until you get it. Until you really intuitively feel comfortable with it. Just keep going. Just keep, I just want to understand why and how and what does this do and what are the risks and how does it work, and just keep going and be like a dog with a bone, and you'll get there. And then at the end of the day, you go, oh, is that all it is? Okay, cool.